Now let's try the NX 500. Oh, it's very lightweight. You know, hope the GoPro is on. हाँ, so very smooth यार, very smooth. ऐसा लग रहा है कोई खिलौना इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक टाइप फीलिंग आ रहा है, इतना स्मूथ है. एक्सट्रीम लाइट वेट. मैं KTM को लाइट वेट बोलता हूँ, एक्सट्रीम लाइट वेट लग रही है. और ट्विन सिलेंडर, इसी को बोलते हैं ट्विन सिलेंडर. दिस इज ट्विन सिलेंडर बाइक 500cc, वेरी स्मूथ. Posture is different for me. I mean the handlebar position is different for me. यार ये होता है होंडा का बाइक, मक्खन. You know, when you apply makhan over butter, how smooth. Sorry. When you apply makhan over bread in an Irani cafe, that kind of smoothness is there. No hitting. One thing I can say is that the KTM bike is for the experiments like off-road, bike jumping and all. You know, you throw anywhere and you will feel okay, it will get it down. And this one, it's like a smoothness, the luxury feeling. This is a Mercedes of the adventure bike. 500cc as well. I don't have an experience to ride the BMW and GS. I just had a 650 versus experience, but this is far better smooth and experience than versus 650. I was very surprised. I was aware that this will be a very fine bike, but this level, I am very surprised. I'm in love with this bike. So when I was planning to buy KTM Adventure 390X, before that my main consideration was NX 500. Because of the price constraint, I had to skip this model. And those who are don't have the budget constraint, they should try this bike. If I want to give you a closest experience, when you go for a sleep in a 18, 19, no 2021 AC, and then you pull your blanket, the soft one, and that cozy sleep you get. This riding experience of this bike is same only. It doesn't give you that experience. It is taking efforts or anything. It is that butter smooth. And I'm not feeling any potholes. The suspension again are, the overall experience. It's an amazing. It's a 5-star hotel of the hotel industry. Oh, the luxury feeling. Let me enjoy this bike. I don't want to talk. I from riding and go sleep. It's that buttery smooth. In just this experience, I feel like I can go like 1,000 kilometers on this bike. Oh, just notice the pull compared to the 390X. No, it's smooth pull. What we say, pull. It's a smooth pull. Mm. Ah. Ah. Mhm. Mm. Mm. Jishan, great choice. And rightly money invested. You know, though it's the price is on the higher side, but I have ridden versus and the KTM. No one is as close in terms of experience to this bike. Mm. 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 So that's my bike. It feels slick and slim, vibrator. Oh, it's a very soothing bike. This one. Mm. 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 Yeah, I was always hypnotized with the experience of this bike. You know, I'm not used to that with this bike, so I'm not riding, of course, above 60 and all. I'm just cruising around 40, 45. And also the road is not for the high speed riding. Yeah, guys, but this speed, you will be hypnotized with this bike. Especially the someone who come from the single cylinder. Of course, the twin cylinder is very smooth, very different experience. Like I just from the morning I was riding 390, and you know, and this experience, I'm not complaining anything about the 390X. For the single cylinder, it's the best bike. You know, this everything, the smoothness come because of this twin cylinder, and yeah, basically the twin cylinder and high quality materials, Honda reliability, of course. Oh, I feel like I should go on and on. शेगुड़े खाना वाला Let me stop the recording and enjoy the bike. So we reached to our restaurant. Oh, very smooth experience, यार. I love this bike.
मजा आ रहा
बहुत मजा है.
सिलेंडर
बहुत मजा है. बहुत बस. Nice bike.